Budake.
I love listening to people talk.
Budake.
I've forgotten a lot of it, but it comes back. As in here. Say that again?
I'm planning on taking you to Haiti more often, you know that. Pastor
Well, you
Madeline.
know my thing is outdoor clinics.
Yes, I know. I'm bringing you to do more clinic. And unfortunately, we could not do so. Yeah.
That's my expertise. I love outdoor clinics. Go where the people are.
I know. I will take you some more of them.
I'm going to put a book together for you.
Me? That's good. I want to write my book.
Yes.
I need a ghostwriter. I'm just too lazy to write.
You know, Nigel's book was 120,000 words. And the guy told me there wasn't one spelling mistake.
Wow. He was that good?
Yeah, because
What is the book is about?
it's the catechism course. He wrote it over 10 years.
So Pastor Nigel wrote a catechism course.
So everything you want to know about God.
Okay. Everything he learned while being a missionary in Haiti.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's translated into French and Spanish already.
Oh wow. So we're going to sell a lot of them in the Haitian community. They better buy this book from Pastor Nigel Hundy.
Yeah, so I can come back to Haiti.
Yes. Yes. How much you'll be selling for?
I have no idea because the publisher, they set the price.
We need to find out.
Yeah.
If it is $10,
I'm thinking it's going to be like 10 or 12.
okay. If it is $10, I'll buy the first 100
Okay.
and donate it.
Alrighty, send that email to me. I mean that message to me so I can have that.
No, I'm recording it, so
Okay.
you'll have it on tape.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
so that's the way I can support this thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what, if you ever wondered about God and His precepts and if the Bible is true and how we should live today, this book is for you.
Oh wow. Okay. Good. Hold on a second. Okay. I was for a while. I think the bus left me. I can't. Oh. So we're already leaving Aquin? Yeah. You never know. The other one they had was good. So that's what happened. Like block area with spot no asana la caoutchouc tabule. You see? Okay, so they usually blocked it here, so there's a canal. No car can turn around.
I don't understand like the reason for that. Okay, you're upset when they want the president.
Cote l'argent Petro-Caribbean, that's the reason.
What's that?
You see, there is this money, this program called Petro-Caribbean. Venezuela allows us to borrow some money to pay them with interest while we purchasing gas, and we pay them a part of the money and we keep the part of it to do project development. And then voler haïtien and the government steal the money. And in doing fake projects, giving friends contracts, and then they just destroy this. And this money could have been used to help hospitals like you saw. And rebuild, like, this money could have rebuilt like 15, 20 great hospitals. Instead, a few people has it. So now the question is, where's the money? So a lot of people are protesting, blocking the country. And honest to God, I'm one of those people that agree with them. I finally agree with the protest situation.
Okay, I understand, but I don't understand what is burning and hurting people. But where's that going to get you?
I think the only the issue is our government only understands one language, is violence. Like, you go on the street and protesting like you people in America do, marching, no one will listen. So once you start burning, cutting the roads and doing things, that's when the government responds. So therefore, People understand if they want the government to hear them, you cannot be civilized. You just need to be, they like it rough.
So how long has this government? Who's the president?
His name is Jovenel Moïse. So now I have to say that you are a young Haitian lady. You were born in the United States and this is your second time in Haiti? Okay, so that's the reason why you're asking those questions. So go ahead, I'm
I
listening.
stopped paying attention to the president since it started getting bad. I just stopped paying attention.
You just tune it out, huh? Okay.
Now I'm here and this is the situation, so I want to know.
Okay.
I know.
So the president is Jovenel Moïse.
How long has it been?
3 years.
And so they've been doing this for 3 years?
No, they've been doing it in the past, since July last year. So almost a year now.
Nothing changed.
Yes. Actually, something has changed because at least he gave a speech. He said he is not corrupt, but his two companies embezzles $70 million. So, but he's not explaining what happened to $70 million given to two separate 35 to two separate corporations owned by him for one project, and the project not even 10% finished.
Where does he stay?
At the National Palace, and the Haitian people are paying for his living.
So why don't they go find him there?
Because there's gun, I think.
Well, they put all themselves together. They may be able to get through.
We agree. It's easier said than done. Yes. Any more questions?
They're hurting themselves too. Like, I understand, being the government will be responsible for violence, but you're hurting the capital where you stay in. You're hurting people. They're, like, it just doesn't really make sense to me. And then it makes them look bad. People want to know, and they're afraid to help people.
That's it, like you.
I'm not afraid.
What was your, what did you see at the hospital in Lekai? What did you see? Like, good, bad, in the middle? Yeah, in the hospital. Where are they? Did they leave me? Let me go. Okay. Oh yeah? You don't want me. You don't think me. You don't want me to be driving as. Yeah, I see them up there. As the Haitian.